What if I told you America once built minivans so rare, most people don't even know they exist? Not family vans. Not boring grocery haulers. But futuristic, off-road, split-body, electric and even luxury lounge-style machines. Today we're looking at 10 of the rarest American minivans ever built, and some of them were so extreme, they never even reached production. Before we start, subscribe now because you won't find vehicles like this anywhere else. Number 1. 1935 Stout Scarab, the first minivan idea. Let's start with something that doesn't even look real. The 1935 Stout Scarab is often called the world's first minivan. But back then, nobody even knew what a minivan was. And this is where it gets interesting. This wasn't built like a car at all. It was designed more like an airplane. Engine in the back, rounded aluminum body, and a cabin that felt like a moving lounge. Inside, seats could rotate. There was even a small table in the middle. It felt more like a mobile office than a vehicle in the 1930s, but it was way too expensive and too futuristic for its time. Only a handful were ever built, and today just a few still exist. Number 2. 1981 Ford Aero van, the confused genius. Next up, something much more compact, the Ford Aero van. This was Ford's attempt at mixing a station wagon and a minivan, and people were seriously confused. When it showed up at public events, visitors kept asking one question: when can I buy this? It had space for up to 7 passengers, but still looked like a small futuristic wagon. But Ford never sold it. It stayed a concept, and quietly disappeared. Number 3. 1986 Pontiac Trans Sport Concept, glass spaceship. Now this one looks like it came from a sci-fi movie. The Pontiac Trans Sport concept was all curves, glass and futuristic design. And this is the wild part. The windshield wrapped around like a cockpit. Even the doors looked like something from an aircraft. Inside it had screens, early computers and even a digital rear-view system. It was basically Pontiac trying to reinvent the entire minivan idea. And surprisingly, it actually influenced later production models. Liking this so far? Subscribe now because you won't find vehicles like this anywhere else. Number 4. 1989 Plymouth Voyager 3, 2 cars in one. This might be the strangest idea on the list. The Voyager 3 was literally 2 vehicles connected together. Yes, 2 separate pieces. The front was a small city car. The back was a full minivan module. You could detach and reattach them depending on your needs. But here's the problem. It only worked properly when both parts were together. Too complex. Too expensive. Never produced. Number 5. 1990 GM HX3, early hybrid minivan. Before hybrid cars became normal, GM was already experimenting with something way ahead of its time. The GM HX3 was an early hybrid minivan concept designed to test a future that didn't exist yet for consumers. At a time when most vehicles still relied completely on gasoline, GM was trying to mix electric power with traditional fuel in one system. And this is where it gets really interesting. The HX3 could switch between electric motors and a small gasoline engine depending on driving conditions. So in simple terms, it wasn't locked into one power source. It could adapt. That idea alone was a big deal back then, because today hybrids are normal. But in the early 1990s, this was almost science fiction. The design also followed the same futuristic thinking. Instead of a boxy shape like regular vans, the HX3 had a smooth, jet-inspired aerodynamic body. Everything about it was built to reduce drag and improve efficiency. It looked less like a family van, and more like something you'd see in a concept sci-fi movie. But here's the problem. And this is where the project started to fall apart. The battery technology at the time simply wasn't strong enough. It couldn't store enough energy, recharge fast enough, or deliver consistent performance for real-world use. So even though the idea was solid, the execution wasn't ready. The HX3 ended up staying a concept vehicle, a glimpse into the future that GM was trying to build decades early. And in a way, it actually succeeded, just not in its own time. Because many of the ideas in the HX3 later showed up in modern hybrid and electric vehicles years later. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet Blazer XT1, off-road monster van. Now this one is where things get wild. The Chevrolet Blazer XT1 wasn't just a minivan or an SUV. It was a mix of both, plus a technology experiment. It was designed to handle extreme off-road conditions while still offering the space and comfort of a minivan. And the tech in this thing was seriously advanced for 1987. It had adjustable suspension that could change ride height depending on terrain, four-wheel steering which helped it turn in tight spaces despite its size, and a smart traction system that could automatically send power to the wheels with the most grip. That alone made it feel way ahead of its time. Even the design stood out. It had a futuristic glass-heavy roof structure that made the cabin feel open and modern, almost like a greenhouse on wheels. The goal was simple: combine SUV toughness with minivan practicality. But that balance is harder than it sounds. And this is where it struggled. Even though the XT1 had impressive engineering, it was too complex and too experimental for production at the time. Manufacturers weren't ready to mass-produce something this advanced. So it stayed a concept, a bold idea that showed what off-road family vehicles could look like in the future. Liking this so far? Subscribe now because you won't find vehicles like this anywhere else. Number 7. 1991 Dodge Caravan Off-Road Prototype. Now this one is much simpler, but the story behind it is actually very interesting. Chrysler took a regular Dodge Caravan and decided to give it a rugged, off-road personality. It wasn't a full redesign, just small but effective changes. Bigger wheels, protective side steps, front brush guards, roof-mounted lights. That's it. But the look completely changed the character of the van. And surprisingly, people loved it. Dealers actually responded positively, and the idea gained real attention inside Chrysler. It even came close to being shown at a major auto show. But then something unexpected happened. And this is where everything stopped. Jeep dealers weren't happy about it. They saw it as competition, a family van that could step into SUV territory. And their pushback was strong enough to kill the project completely. So even though the prototype was ready and the idea was gaining momentum, it never reached production. Just like that, it disappeared. Number 8. 1991 Mercury Mystique Minivan Concept. Luxury overload. Now this one takes luxury to another level. The Mercury Mystique minivan concept wasn't just about transporting people. It was about entertaining them. It was designed as a premium family lounge on wheels. And they didn't hold back at all. Inside, each passenger had their own entertainment setup. TV screens, VCR systems, individual controls. Every seat was treated like a private experience. No sharing, no compromises. Even the glass roof had smart technology that could automatically darken when sunlight got too strong. It was early smart glass tech, long before it became common. The idea was to turn travel into something comfortable, private, and fully digital. But there was one major problem. And this killed the project. It was extremely expensive. Way too expensive for a minivan market that still cared about practicality and affordability. So even though it felt futuristic and luxurious, it never made it past the concept stage. Number 9. 1992 Dodge Epic Electric Future Van. Before electric cars became normal, Chrysler built the Dodge Epic. Rehook, and this one actually mattered. It ran fully on electric power with early battery tech. It had around 120 miles of range, impressive for the time. Unlike most concepts here, this one actually made it into limited production later for fleets. So it's one of the few that survived beyond concept stage. Number 10. 2003 Dodge Kahuna Surf Van Dream. Finally, the most fun one on the list. The Dodge Kahuna was designed like a beach lifestyle vehicle, and it was pure chaos in design. It had a removable roof, wood-style panels, and massive wheels. Inside, seats could fold, rotate, or turn into tables. It was basically a rolling hangout spot. People loved it, but not enough to approve production. So here's what's crazy: minivans were never just boring family vehicles. They were testing grounds for wild ideas. Electric power, luxury interiors, off-road systems, even split vehicle designs. Most of these ideas were too early or too expensive, but they shaped the future of what cars became. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these minivans would you actually drive if it was real? Drop your answer in the comments. I read them all. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into forgotten car history, subscribe now. Because next time, we're going even deeper into machines most people never knew existed. See you in the next one.